Are you ready to see the future of DIY and tech? In today's video, we're counting down 20 amazing tools you've never seen before. From leather stitching ponies to mind-blowing leather hammers and smart professional tools, these innovations are changing the game in 2026. Whether you're a gadget lover or looking for the best tech gifts, you won't believe what's on this list. We've scoured the latest CES 2026 reveals and hidden gems to find the most unique tools that will make your life easier. Make sure to watch until number 11. It is a total game changer you won't find anywhere else. Let's dive into these coolest gadgets and future technology trends. Precision makes every project easier. The Cigman 3D laser level is a 3x360-degree self-leveling green laser leveler for picture hanging and DIY projects, built for accuracy and convenience. Featuring a durable tripod, rotary base, and remote control, it allows hands-free adjustments and flexible positioning for walls, shelves, tiles, and cabinets. Its compact design with a powerful 4,000 mAh battery ensures long runtime and eco-friendly Type-C charging. With automatic, manual, and pulse modes, plus universal mounting options, it's perfect for construction, remodeling, and home improvement projects requiring professional-level alignment. Say goodbye to water streaks and messy glass. The Anjinwiper Silicone Shower Squeegee is a reliable bathroom squeegee for shower glass designed for effortless daily cleaning. This squeegee for shower doors, mirrors, and windows. Shower squeegee for tile shower walls features a durable 10-inch flexible silicone blade with rust-proof construction for long-lasting performance. Its ergonomic non-slip grip ensures comfort and control, while the soft silicone design protects surfaces from scratches. Complete with a waterproof adhesive hook for space-saving storage, it's perfect for keeping glass, tiles, and mirrors spotless and streak-free. Smooth finishes start with the right tools. The Satc sanding blocks include a 5-inch hook and loop sanding block, and 2 pieces of round and mouse hand sanding blocks for wood furniture restoration and home arts and crafts. Designed for precision and comfort. Fit for hand, both the mouse and round pads offer ergonomic grips, with Velcro on both sides for sanding tight 90-degree corners. The hook and loop design allows quick disc changes, while the premium PU backing plate reduces vibration. Standard size compatibility fits any 5-inch discs, perfect for woodworking, drywall, auto body, and DIY sanding projects. Precision stitching starts with a steady grip. The Qwork leather stitching pony is a reliable leather craft hand stitching pony horse. Improved wood table desktop. Pony horse clamp for leather clamping, DIY hand stitching designed for stability and comfort. Its main function is to fix leather firmly, freeing both hands for effortless sewing. With 360 degrees of rotation, you can adjust it to any angle for maximum comfort. Foldable for easy storage and made of high-quality wood with sturdy metal clamps, it's perfect for belts, bags, wallets, canvas, and other leathercraft or DIY projects. Craftsmanship demands the right striking power. The Wuta leather hammer is a double-headed cobbler's hammer, a mirror-polished carbon steel mallet for professional leathercraft tools built for precision and durability. Featuring a double-polished steel head, weighing about 15 ounces, it's made of solid carbon steel with a high-quality hickory handle for long-lasting performance. This leather mallet is ideal for striking, stamping, and hammering metals without leaving scratches. Perfect for chisels, saddle stamping, gluing reinforcement, and more. It's suitable for leatherwork, jewelry, carpentry, roofing, framing, and professional craft applications. Perfect. Edge-defined true leather craftsmanship. The Hisew leather edge burnishing bits are a standard set of 6 for smoothing and polishing medium firm leather edges, like veg tan, compatible with rotary tools, and designed to save time and effort. Created by leather crafters, this set includes 400 grit sanding bits to remove burrs and glue residue, plus beechwood burnishers for refined polishing. Precision grooves suit different leather thicknesses, delivering clean, natural finishes. With a standard 1/8" shank, they work seamlessly with rotary tools, ideal for belts, wallets, bags, and detailed leather projects. Precision makes all the difference in leather crafting. The Baystmam leather skiver splitter with pulling handle, leather peeling machine, leather skiver, aluminum made, leather skiving, leather working tools with blades for DIY. Leather work and leather thinning craft is built for accuracy and control. Featuring a unique leather gripping handle, it ensures balanced pulling and uniform thickness, especially for wider soft leather up to 3 inches. Thickness adjustable and made from aircraft level aluminum alloy, it's durable and easy to use, ideal for thinning leather to create belts, watch straps, knife sheaths, and bags. Great leatherwork starts with perfect holes. The Wuta round hole. Puncher kits, punch lacing stitching, professional working hand tool kit, round hole puncher, craft chisel cutting punches. Kits deliver the precision and versatility every crafter needs. With 3 interchangeable modes, you can choose circular chisel mode for refined stitching or punch mode for larger, easier to sew holes. Made from 4CR13 stainless steel with corrosion-resistant electroplating, it's built for durability. Featuring 6 models, it supports saddle, cross, French, baseball, and other stitching styles, ideal for belts, wallets, bags, and professional leather projects. Clean, even leather straps start with the right tool. The Bestnule leather tools, leather strip and strap cutter, leather cutting tool, and leather cutter adjustable with 3 blades are built for precision and reliability. Package included: 1-piece leather strap cutter with 3 pieces of leather tool blades. Made of high-quality wood, it won't bend or break easily, handling leather thickness from 3.5 to 4.5 millimeters. The cutter adjusts from 1.0 to 5.0 millimeters and cuts strips up to 4 inches wide. Easy to assemble and well packaged, it's ideal for belts, straps, and DIY leather crafting projects. Precision matters when every micron counts. The Mxmoonfree digital thickness gauge, electronic micrometer thickness meter with LCD display, unit conversion, storage case, and extra battery delivers exceptional accuracy for detailed measurements. With a measuring range of 0 to 25.4 millimeters and a 0.001 millimeter resolution, it's accurate to 1 micrometer, even when measuring a strand of hair. 1-button inch metric conversion ensures convenience, while the solid metal grip offers easy operation. Complete with a padded storage case and extra battery, it's perfect for measuring paper, leather, sheet metal, film, and wires. Working with leather requires precision, especially when thinning edges for a clean finish. The Owden wide-mouth skiving tool is a professional French-style leather edge beveler designed for serious leathercraft projects. Crafted with a stainless steel blade, an ebony handle, and a solid brass ferrule, it offers durability and control. With a 6mm blade cutting width, it smoothly cuts vegetable tanned leather, making the back thinner where needed. Ideal for detailed leather work, this tool helps create smooth edges and refined finishes, making it a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced craftsmen. Tackling tough bundling jobs requires tools that won't fail under pressure. The Uzlu Zip Ties Gun Kit is a complete multi-purpose self-locking cable tie tool set designed for vehicles, farms, plants, fences, and pipe bundling. It includes 400 heavy-duty 6, 8, and 12-inch stainless steel zip ties, a metal zip tie gun, a cutter, gloves, scissors, and a storage bag. Each tie supports up to 220 pounds and resists rust, heat, and UV exposure. With one-handed operation and a secure self-locking design, it ensures fast, smooth, and reliable fastening for indoor and outdoor applications. Handling electrical work calls for a tool that's precise, durable, and easy to use. The Wgge wire crimping tool is an 8-inch professional cable cutter, crimper, and multifunction hand tool designed for wiring tasks. Made from high-carbon alloy steel, it cuts, strips, and loops 10 to 22 AWG solid copper or aluminum wires with accurate stripping performance. The ergonomic, non-slip rubber handle ensures a firm grip and reduces hand fatigue. Ideal for crimping both insulated and non-insulated terminals, it's perfect for electrical repairs, installations, and general wiring projects. Tight spaces and stubborn bolts can turn simple repairs into frustrating jobs. The Disen Ratchet Wrenches Set is a double-jointed metric flex head ratcheting wrench set designed to make every turn easier. With a 72-tooth mechanism and open-end and box-end combination, it delivers smooth, efficient performance. Crafted from durable CRV steel and heat-treated for strength, it resists rust and wear. The double-folding flex head saves effort in confined areas, and the heavy-duty storage case keeps all 12 pieces organized for automotive, mechanical, and household repairs. Keeping your workshop organized starts with a strong, reliable base. The Powertec tool stand with casters and melamine MDF tabletop provides a sturdy platform for your miter saw, drill press, belt sander, bench grinder, band saw, scroll saw, or planer. It includes a heavy-duty frame, rails, an integrated mobile base with wheels, levelers, and a lever-activated caster assembly for easy movement. The durable melamine surface resists moisture and cleans easily, while pre-drilled holes allow quick mounting. Ideal for compact benchtop tools, it offers stability, portability, and flexibility for any workspace. Tired of loud planers and rough finishes? The Findbuytool Helical Cutterhead is a quiet and efficient upgrade replacement blade designed with 4 rows for DeWalt thickness planers. This 13-inch helical cutterhead includes 56 plus 4 carbide inserts, screws, and 2 wrenches, ready to install right out of the box. Built with 4 cutting wings, it delivers smoother shear cuts while reducing noise by at least 50%. Unlike traditional blades, the carbide inserts don't need sharpening, just rotate them for a fresh edge. Engineered for precise fit and durability, it ensures smooth, accurate woodworking results. Cutting through metal should be fast and controlled, not slow and frustrating. The WP Workpad Air Cut-Off tool is a professional pneumatic cutting machine built to handle tough jobs with ease. Powered at 18,000 RPM and equipped with 5 cut-off wheels, it delivers strong performance for cutting steel plates and metal sheets. The extended handle and soft ergonomic grip reduce fatigue, while the 360-degree operation improves control. Featuring a safe pressure-type start-stop switch and filtered air inlet design, it's ideal for automotive work, fabrication, and metal cutting tasks. When you're working in tough conditions, clear vision and reliable protection are essential. The Pyramex Safety Torser goggles meet the highest industry safety standards while delivering ultimate style and comfort. Designed with an H2 Max anti-fog coating, they maintain maximum clarity in extreme temperatures and humidity. The dielectric design adds electrical shock protection, and the flexible rubber gasket conforms to facial contours for a secure seal. Featuring a ratcheting adjustable elastic strap, quick release clip, and 3 lens variations, they pass D3 splash and D4 dust tests, making them ideal for construction, labs, and industrial use. Long hours on your knees can take a serious toll, especially during demanding jobs. The Workpro knee pads are built for comfort and durability, featuring an ergonomic gel cushion and EVA foam padding to protect your knees all day. Made with heavyweight nylon thread and breathable 600D polyester mesh, they offer lasting performance, while the soft TPR shell guards against cuts and scrapes. Double adjustable straps keep them secure without slipping. Ideal for gardening, carpentry, carpentry, welding, roofing, and cleaning, they provide reliable support and comfort for any indoor or outdoor task. Removing stubborn stickers, paint, or adhesive doesn't have to be frustrating. The Rexbeti razor blade scraper tool comes as a 2-pack scraper set with 30 metal and 50 plastic blades, plus an extra 80-piece blade kit for heavy-duty use. Its durable construction and retractable 3-position design make blade replacement quick and safe. Ideal for cooktops, glass, wood floors, tiles, and metal surfaces. The metal blades tackle tough grime, while plastic blades protect delicate surfaces. Perfect for cleaning DIY projects and removing old paint, adhesive, or wallpaper efficiently and safely. That wraps up our list of the 20 most innovative tools of the year. Which of these crazy gadgets was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. We read every single one. If you enjoyed this look at the future of tech, hit that like button and subscribe to join our community for more top 20 tech and tool reviews. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest inventions. For more unbelievable tools and smart home tech, check out the video on the screen right now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.